Having a growing family definitely requires more space, including in the family car. Mercedes released the brand new GLB 250 in 2020, but it didn't catch my attention until I was searching for a 7-seat SUV. That's what led me to the GLB 250. While this is not a full review of the vehicle, I did want to touch on a couple of aspects that have given me a great first impression right off the bat. Plus, one thing I was most curious about before I got the car, the third row seating. There's something about the boxy silhouette of the GLB 250 that's quite sophisticated and charming. The design is understated but not lacking in taste. The straight yet mellow lines and the rounded corners all contribute to a steady and robust feeling. As someone who's drawn to the interiors the most, I haven't found anything to dislike about this car so far. The dual display that's integrated into one whole piece in front of the dashboard truly presents a clean and elegant visual. The center console doesn't have unnecessary controls that take up the storage space, and all the functional areas are well sectioned. I even like the press buttons as opposed to push buttons right below the AC vents. They gave a very sporty look and have a much better keyway response. The horizontal design of the aluminum door handles is very consistent with the overall design language, clean and robust. It definitely enriches the feeling that I'm driving an SUV. Even though the third row seating option was a must for us, we don't plan to use it on a daily basis. It's more of an emergency backup in case we need to carry a couple more people for a short ride. For instance, we want to be able to fit in one car when my parents are visiting. So how practical are the third row seats really? That was still what I was curious about before I got the car. The recommended third row passenger height is 5'6" and below to be safe and comfortable. I'm 6 feet tall, and while I can fit back there, it's just enough leg room and the headroom is pretty tight. Because of the light interior and the windows on the sides and behind, I didn't feel claustrophobic. What I mainly struggled with was getting in and out of the third row. It definitely isn't easy or convenient. My wife is 5'7" and she had no issues sitting back there. As a mid-size SUV, the GLB 250 is a perfect entry-level luxury family vehicle. It's a great option that finds the perfect balance between a need for more space and best-in-class interior design. I can't wait to share more about this vehicle as I put more miles on it. But for now, feel free to leave a comment if you are also considering getting one or have any questions.